Good morning, YouTube. So I can't say what I want here on YouTube. It's quite interesting, isn't it? Yeah. So this channel is now about animals. And today it's about tigers. That's right. I know something about tigers. Do you know that they can produce a sound that is so low in frequency that we as humans can't hear it? And apparently this sound that they make can actually paralyze a person. I don't know if this is true. I don't believe this really, but that's what I hear. Yeah. So I made another video this morning. It's about a lot of things. It's about a balcony, for instance. Right. The link will be below. Right.